Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the adapter, because live power can fry circuits. Once unplugged, hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to discharge. Next, make sure you have a small Phillips, a plastic pry tool, and an ESD strap to protect components. Locate the Victus keyboard tabs and note any visible screws on the bottom. This prevents surprises. Once done, remove the bottom panel screws in a consistent order, so you can reverse them later without confusion. You'll continue by unscrewing the specific keyboard or midframe screws. Keep each screw labeled by position, because lengths vary. Then, use the plastic pry tool to release the keyboard clips. Work from the hinge edge and lift slowly to avoid snapping tabs. Once the keyboard lifts, locate the thin ribbon cable and flip the small ZIF latch with a fingernail or plastic tool. Pull the cable straight out. Make sure not to crease the flex cable. Since damage, there will break the backlight connection. You now replace the LED strip or backlight membrane by aligning it exactly to the keyboard frame and pressing adhesive evenly so it seats flat. This ensures even illumination. Once placed, reinsert the ribbon cable into the ZIF connector and lock it. Then reconnect the battery temporarily and power on to test the backlight in BIOS or Windows before closing the case. If the light fails, make sure the ribbon is fully seated and pins are clean. Poor contact is the most common problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.